Glue Accelerator, it's used on the strip of lashes, so it's better in terms of that and the glue kind of work together. So it's really good if you've got kind of quite low humidity and stuff, so it helps to kind of make your glues work a little bit faster. So in terms of our glue, so Eyelash Emporium, we have got a glue called Epic, and that is a 3 to 5 second glue drying time. So you may have a student who has been trained maybe 6-7 months, feels like the glue is kind of being a little bit too slow for them. This would be perfect. She could pop this on her strip of lashes before she applies it into the glue, and this will make it work a little bit faster. So she'll probably be getting more of a 3-second drying time other than a 5, depending on the humidity of it all. And yeah, it will stop her having to move on to master when she probably isn't ready for it yet. So it's a really good kind of product to kind of use, to introduce for all techs, but obviously to really help around kind of temperature and humidity, especially if people live abroad, if they've got quite high temperatures, high heats and stuff as well. You know, it's gonna help with everything that happens. It also helps with shock curing, so you'll sometimes find that people apply water to the lashes too quick. So we always say, you know, not apply water for up to 24 hours. This kind of is going to stop it from polymerizing, so it goes kind of white, quite crusty on the lashes, and it makes the bond literally crack. So you've not got that bond between the natural lash and the glue anymore, and literally the retention is going to be really, really bad. So the client will lose them really, really quickly. The eyes will present quite white and a little bit kind of like crusty sort of symptoms. So this product is really going to help with stopping that glue from literally going on. A bit like kind of a bit of glass that kind of shatters, this will stop it. It only tends to last probably around sort of like 45 minutes to an hour, so you can re-accelerate that strip of lashes as well before you obviously apply the client's natural lash. It will just kind of help it, because you want it to be slightly tacky, so it will go on and look a little bit wet on that strip, but obviously as you pull it off, if you've not got a little bit of tack there before you go into your glue, obviously you then redo this. You can't really do this too much, it's absolutely fine, because it's not on a natural lash, it's on those kind of strip lashes, which are obviously PBT anyway. Okay, so we're going to use the glue accelerator now. It's going to be hygienic because it just goes onto the lash strip. Literally all you're going to do is just paint it along. Leave it a few seconds, obviously, because it does go a little bit wet, and then you can begin lashing.